Alright, made it to the town centre. Is it a town? I think it's a town. No sign of any other buskers at the moment, which is probably just as well because it's quite a small little strip of high street here. It's a small place. It's probably a bold move coming here when there's a money challenge on the line. Is the end of January any better or any worse? Does it make a difference to the end of December? In fact, these next few days are probably going to be a good comparison. 4 days of busking at the end of December versus 3 days of busking in January. Hopefully I'll document a couple of surprises. That's my intention. Show you that it doesn't matter what time of year it is. It's worth getting out either way. Whether it's donations or magic moments. There is some scaffolding going on over there. Good old scaffolding. Britain's built on scaffolding, isn't it?